Welcome to Future Bike Hub 09. Today, we are proudly showcasing the Triumph Daytona 675R Yellow Edition, a supersport motorcycle that perfectly blends aggressive design, race-inspired engineering, and pure riding performance. The first thing that instantly grabs attention is the bold yellow color. This vibrant shade reflects speed, confidence, and racing heritage, making the Daytona 675R stand out in any environment. In a full-side profile view, the bike looks sharp, balanced, and purpose-built. Every line, every edge of the fairing highlights its aerodynamic DNA. The Triumph Daytona 675R is engineered with precision aerodynamics. The sculpted body panels guide airflow efficiently around the bike, reducing drag and increasing stability at higher speeds. This design not only enhances performance but also gives the motorcycle its iconic, aggressive supersport stance. At the heart of this machine lies a powerful 675 cubic centimeters, inline three-cylinder engine, known for its unique balance of torque and high revving performance. Throttle response is quick and smooth, delivering strong acceleration across the RPM range. Whether cruising on highways or riding aggressively on performance roads, the Daytona 675R delivers a thrilling yet controlled experience. The lightweight aluminum frame is one of the key strengths of the Daytona 675R. It offers exceptional rigidity while keeping overall weight low, resulting in sharp handling and precise control. The bike feels planted at high speeds and incredibly confident while cornering. Suspension duties are handled by premium components tuned for both comfort and performance. The suspension absorbs road imperfections smoothly while remaining firm enough for aggressive riding. This balance ensures stability, comfort, and confidence in every riding situation. Braking performance is equally impressive. High-performance disc brakes paired with quality calipers provide strong, progressive stopping power. Even under hard braking, the bike remains composed, allowing the rider to maintain full control. The wide performance tires provide excellent grip and road feedback, whether accelerating hard, leaning into corners, or braking suddenly. The Daytona 675R stays stable and predictable. Ergonomically, the Triumph Daytona 675R is designed for a sporty riding position that keeps the rider engaged and in control. The seating position, handlebar placement, and foot peg setup create a natural connection between rider and machine. Overall, the Triumph Daytona 675R Yellow Edition is more than just a motorcycle. It is a statement of performance, precision, and racing passion. Built for riders who appreciate engineering excellence and bold design, this bike truly represents the spirit of a pure supersport machine. For more future bikes, detailed reviews, and cinematic motorcycle content, subscribe to Future Bike Hub 09.